All right, everybody, we got Jeeps. Here comes another one. 2010 Jeep Liberty Limited Edition. This is a loaded up truck too. It's got the chromes, the reverse sensing system, heated leather seats, privacy glass. This truck has factory navigation. Really well maintained, solid and clean. Good rubber on it, switch off 4x4. Got the premium sounds, memory seats. Real nice truck, ready to go. Clean, detailed, serviced. The black leather on the white outside. Leather wrap wheel, switch off 4x4, remote start, Navi, premium sounds. 6-cylinder motor, great drivers. Tackle all the weather. This vehicle is going to be outfitted with a 3-month, 4,500-mile service contract over the complete driveline. That's a powertrain service contract included. You're going to get guaranteed credit approval on this vehicle, and it's going to start around $795 down. You're going to get a clean 2-owner perfect Carfax with all the service documentation, and you're going to get approved. DasCleveland.com.